Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to sign in automatically on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So basically this means signing in without the need to enter in a password every time your computer restarts. So, this is not going to bypass your password if you forgot your password. That's not what this tutorial is about. I get those comments on these type of videos, but this is assuming you have your password, but you just don't want to have to enter it in every time you restart. So we're going to start by selecting the clock icon, and then you're going to select the setting gear icon. So go ahead and just left click on that. And now you want to select settings up at the top left, and go ahead and select where it says device. So now on the page that we're landed to here, you want to scroll down underneath people and then select where it says screen lock sign in automatically. Go ahead and left click on that. So at this point you want to go in and enter in your password. So now that you've entered that in, now the first thing we can do if you want to just show the lock screen when waking up from sleep, if this is turned on, you can just turn it off, so it just will start immediately back up into the operating system, which will be quicker. But for the lock screen, you only have two options here, so either the password or a PIN. So if you wanted to do a PIN, you could select that and then select setup PIN. At this point, you just enter in a PIN that's at least 6 digits long. So if you want to enter in a PIN, you can. And then once you're done with that, you would select continue, you would save it, and that'd be pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.